is up, guys? So as you can see, I am in the Temple of the Ancients, and we have a bunch of new updates to go through today. So let's go ahead and get right into that. So the statue has been revealed. The remaining statue is crumbled to reveal what appears to be a statue of a dire wolf. These bygone canines were thought to be extinct, but the discovery proves that they will soon be returned to Jamaa alongside with the saber-tooths. Experts believe that their hearthstone must be buried deep within Baluch, and that the historic return of the saber-tooth hearthstone led to its awakening. So that is pretty cool, guys. So yay, I was right in my theory video about it being a dire wolf. There was just a lot of clues hinting towards it, and I felt that the next stone and new animal to come to Jamaa was going to be a dire wolf. So that is pretty cool. Let's get into the next update. Let's see. So, Peck's Den. So, bring your artistic side into Peck's Den. This underground den is filled with a vibrant rainbow crystal that creates the perfect backdrop for your favorite masterpiece and den items. So let's go ahead and check that out. So here I have a Peck's Den that looks really cool. I wasn't here last time when Peck's Den was open, but this looks pretty cool, and I don't have 7 diamonds at the moment, but when I do, I will be buying this den while it is out. So let's go into the next update. Diamond encrusted armor, shining bright with diamond encrusted armor, available none other than the Diamond Shop and Origami Den items. Jamaa's finest paper folders are hard at work on some spectacular Origami Den items, so keep your eyes peeled. So that seems pretty cool. We'll go check that out in a minute. And tons of videos. Tired of waiting for new Animal Jam videos to come out. Good news. Animal Jam videos have been released in the theaters all over Jamaa. Stop by Tyranny's Aquarium, Brady's Lab, and Gabby's Animal Hospital, and the Wild Explorers tend to start watching every video. That's pretty cool. And we have the Trails of Zyos in hard mode, and we also have Sir Gilbert's frame. Jamaa's Steadfast Tiger Alpha has designed a masterpiece frame to give all your artwork and noble fare with Sir Gilbert's frame. So that is pretty cool. And then the Summer Carnival is almost here. Yay! So get your tickets ready, guys. And then the Animal Jam magazine. The first ever magazine featuring exclusive Animal Jam content is here. This is Animal Jam, has activities, art, and articles. It comes with free gifts and a in-game code. This amazing magazine can be found at Barnes & Noble store. So that is pretty cool. I will go ahead and be picking one of those up next time I'm at Barnes & Noble's. So that is pretty much all for today, guys. I don't really have much. I am busy with finals, so I don't know when I will be uploading my next video. I'm also still sick, and I've also just recently lost a close friend of mine, and so I'm going through a bit of grieving, and so I probably won't be posting for a while, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting every day like I promised, but I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, and if you're new to the Blue Peak family, make sure to subscribe and join my pack on Play Wild. Remember to always be a gemmer, not a scammer. Bye, guys.